welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Hey, just doing my weekly routine that I do here on my car to keep it up to par as far as, you know, getting that grime off and all that. So I'm just out cruising around this morning, just doing this, so that way I can get this checked off, take you along for the ride, show you the little process that I do. It's definitely a must for long-term care of your BMW. The much needed process. Touchless car wash. I'm here more times than you think. Makes it nice, you know, no brushes, no scratches. Gets it really clean. Undercarriage wash. Definitely is perfect. Alright, good to go. So going in so I can get the undercarriage. Alright. So stop there. A little pre-soak. Now the rinse. This is like their clear coat protectant. And then a spot free rinse. Rinse it off. Now the dryer. Well guys, there you have it. Quick little car wash, touchless car wash. You know, I go here probably once a week, once every 2 weeks, just to get that nice undercarriage, and especially do it if there's a lot of grime on the car or sap or just a lot of that heavy dirt that's on there. With my car being outside at the moment, I'm here more than normal just because of all those different weather conditions. It's a quick and easy process. Keeps that longevity as far as the BMW. I'm gonna do some added polishes, H2O Garden Gloss. So I'm gonna do that to give that more, get that sealant on there as we get warmer these temperatures and with the sun beating down on it. I'm trying to protect the paint, of course. All right, after the car wash, I brought it in. I did Adams polishes, H2O Garden Gloss, buttery wax, Turned out great. Great reflection. Paint looks great for 2008 car with 156,000 miles. More updates to come, and as always, thanks for stopping in. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment below. Take care.